Hey everyone, it's Jen. I'm here with the Planner Society kit. We're gonna go ahead and do an unboxing. I'm gonna show you what came in June's kits and let's get started. So we have the Sticker Society kit. This is an add-on that you can get, and you get a little sheet with these flags and then these headers, these word stickers, scripty words. You get the days of the week, some appointment label stickers, and some more scripty word days of the week. You get some flags, some bows, and some banners. Here's some heart checklists, some headers, and then some more appointments and some deco stickers. I love this add-on kit. Another add-on that you can get is the Box Sticker Society kit, and all of the pages come cut so that you can fold them into your TN if you wish. Here are the big full boxes. You get a couple of heart checklists, some hearts. These colors are just so pretty this month. Some washi, some quarter and half boxes. Some headers, some appointment stickers, some banners, some bows and flags, and then some deco, and then some heart checklists, full boxes. Okay, so these are the washis that came in the Washi Tape Society kit this month. We have a really wide washi, regular sized washi, and then a thin, skinnier washi, and I just love the colors. They're bright and bold. I don't know if they're picking up on camera, but they're so pretty. Okay, so first in the main kit, we're gonna start off with the papers. You get 8.5 by 11 papers. They're both double-sided. They're so pretty. I'm showing you the A and the B side of each pattern. Oh, these pinks are gorgeous. Love the lemons. We also get a sheet in acetate. These cute birds. And then 2 pieces of vellum. I love the lemons. And then this beautiful floral. This really pretty pen. It has the yellow lemons on there, and then it has some gems on the inside. Little tape of washi. These stickers that go onto these tabs that come in all of the patterns. So bright and fun, perfect for summer. This month also has a patch. This is so much fun. I love patches. Sticky pad, it's the little bird. I love that bird. I love these gold scripty word clips. They're paper clips. They're so pretty. It says plan, TPS girl, and hello. I love that. You get 4 sheets of stickers, deco stickers. We have this one. These heart checklists, and then that one, so cute. Also comes with these awesome adhesive pockets with these bright patterns on them. I love these patterns. They're just so pretty. The colors are amazingly vibrant. You get these as well. You can make your own page markers. You have lists, all kinds of words, and there's week, to do, and they're heavy chipboard, so they're really sturdy. Hello. Also get these really cool bookmarks. They're thick chipboard bookmarks or page markers. So cute. I am in love with these birds. They have a stack of books and then the flowers on top, and then they're all the same patterns. They're just bigger sizes. Love that. So you also get a bunch of die cuts. And that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing, and I will leave a link below if you guys would like to subscribe to any of the main kits or the wash add-on kits. Let me know if you guys have any questions, and thanks so much for watching.